Module 5 deals with the preparation of financial statements. Not only the end result of actually preparing the statements, but we really go into great detail from the beginning point of a business transaction where we will classify the transaction, eventually journalize the transaction, post the transaction to the general ledger. At the end of the accounting period, we would prepare what's called a trial balance, all of which we will explain as we go through the module. Make adjusting entries. Those are entries that are typically required at the end of an accounting period. And finally, we'll be ready to prepare our income statement, statement of owner's equity, and our balance sheet. So by the time we're through with this module, we'll know how to basically do the accounting for a small business for, let's say, a month's worth of transactions. And this is kind of an important step in the accounting knowledge process because this is where it all starts. We all like to focus on the information at the end of the process, but it's the beginning of the process where accountants have to be knowledgeable and know how to basically do the day-to-day transactions. If, let's say, an accountant is not overly familiar with the basic process of journalizing, posting, and preparing financial statements, mistakes can occur. And of course, in the end, why do we prepare all of these journal entries? So that we can have a set of financial statements that the owners, the managers, the investors, the creditors, IRS, State of Ohio, Butler County, and so forth and so on can rely on this information to make their decisions and to process tax returns. So we will spend a considerable amount of time on this module, and we'll make sure that everyone knows how to basically do the books.